Nowadays, cancer is regarded as one of the most dangerous and life-threatening diseases among all others, which destroys many lives all over the world. According to the statistics, millions of individuals lose the battle with cancer annually. We are going to discuss stomach cancer, which is one of the most dangerous types of cancer. Stomach cancer appears as a result of uncontrolled growth of cancerous cells in the stomach, which after some time, form tumors. The main reason why this type of cancer is dangerous is that it takes years to develop, but the treatment can be equally late. Both chemotherapy and radiation consist of several sessions before and after the surgery. This is why people should start paying close attention to the signs their body sends on a daily basis. You all know that the success of the treatment depends on the stage of cancer, so it is better to be detected in the first stage. In order to detect it on time, you should know all the symptoms, so in this video, we will present you with some of them. Unfortunately, many people confuse the symptoms of stomach cancer with gastrointestinal problems. However, if you feel bloated all the time, feel constantly full, and have problems with acidity and gases, then you should definitely consult your doctor because it might be a symptom of stomach cancer. Here are some of the symptoms that usually occur when stomach cancer has already developed. Weight loss, deterioration of health in general, excessive belching, completely black feces, difficulty swallowing which worsens as time passes, vomiting blood, fatigue and weakness, loss of appetite, nausea, feeling of pain or abdominal fullness after having consumed small amounts of food. In order to avoid stomach cancer, or any other for that matter, make sure to avoid the consumption of smoked, processed, and salted food. Instead, you should increase the consumption of fruits and vegetables. Moreover, make sure to stop smoking if you are a smoker. The crucial thing here is to pay close attention to all the bodily signs and symptoms in order to detect cancer in its earliest stage and be able to recover from it.